LS17 TWB product walkthrough approval video. This is 17 TWB. It's got a belly door with a rotating cage, 17 cubic feet inside. The yellow device that you see on the side is the guards for the pulley system that operates the basket. There's a sludge removal plate on the side. This is your access to your tanks. Removing this makes the drain screens visible. The water will flow down basically where I'm videoing at right now and pass through those screens. 20 horsepower pump, 7-day timer, automatic oil skimmer controlled by a 7-day timer. This is your skimmer timer. The second timer over here is your heater timer. The other items that you see is the fuse block. Basically these do drop down and expose fuses. Relay switch that controls or communicates with the low water sensors. There's a low water and then a add water sensor. And then this is your connection for your fresh water. This is where you'll connect your freshwater inlet. These two sensors will then call for either the cease of operation or the addition of water through the solenoid switch. Your heating elements are down at the bottom. The system's control panel is pretty simple. You've got a digital timer, or a digital thermostat, excuse me, that allows you to set just by pushing set point. When it blinks, when it says SP, hit it again. You can raise that temperature or lower that temperature to the desired, and then hit set. That's the temperature that it's set for at this moment. It's 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The timer operates the pump itself, and then the rotation controls the basket. To open the door, simply disengage the lever. There's a handle right here on the front of the machine. Use it to swing open. This exposes your basket. The basket has two disengage areas. One is right here, just pull up and over. There's a spring on those that allows you to remove those. This is really probably a two-hand operation. I'm going to try to do it with one and operate the camera at the same time. Just by hand, bring the door down. That exposes the basket inside. There's approximately 17 cubic feet inside. Notice we got some of your parts in here, so they're ready to tumble and wash. When you close the door, you do want to hit it pretty hard. That ensures that these levers will come over and clear so that they fit properly. And then it's latched. Close the door, door swings open and closed pretty easy. It does require that you relatch it to attach it. To operate the system, simply choose whether you want to rotate the basket forward or in reverse. I'm going to go ahead and go forward. I'm going to set the timer. That operates the pump. At the duration of time that you set on the timer will automatically clear and turn the pump off at expiration. You then need to manually turn off the rotation of the basket. You can then open the cabinet. Again, the rotation of the basket so that you can get to the latch. You use the manual switch to go to forward. That brings the handles out where you can access them and open the door. The system has space underneath for forklift clearance so that when the machine arrives, you can get a forklift underneath it, maneuver the machine to the location that it'll go to. Make sure that you've got room behind the machine for clearance to access your tanks. You've got your steam ventilation pipe that does need a mechanical contractor to come in and ventilate to the outdoors, or at least it's recommended that it go to the outdoors. You'll need to check with local regulations for any stipulations that would allow you to do other than that. Hard wiring. Your electrician, when the machine arrives, will need to cut the access points and bring the power in. That's going to go to right up here. The ground is over here. More than likely your electricians will either come from the side of the box or up top. basically, that's the basics of the machine. If you have questions, please let me know. Be happy to answer any questions that you might have. Thanks, David, and appreciate your business.